guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christy, and in today's video we are going to do a try on my trunk club that I got for this month. I know I kind of been a little MIA with the trunk club on my channel. I was just, the past couple months it's just been really busy for me, and then the holidays, they just kind of like, I feel like I really didn't have enough time, and then I went to Texas and I just didn't have time to just like sit down, try everything on. But today I decided to try everything on that I got. Some things worked out for me, some things didn't. So if you'd like to see my review on this month's trunk club, just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, if you guys didn't see my last video of this trunk club, I will link it up above. But basically, trunk club is you can get it monthly or quarterly. It's a style subscription that is affiliated with Nordstrom. So basically you get set up with a stylist, and they just pretty much just kind of pick whatever you're kind of feeling for that month or time frame, whatever you're needing. And it is a $25 fee, so pretty much that $25 will be credited towards anything you decide to keep out of the box. So, and this month I pretty much just asked for just like jeans, and then just kind of like things to like kind of gradually take my way into like the spring-ish time. I don't know when spring happens here in Georgia, but pretty much it's probably like maybe like end of March, maybe April, I don't know. There's some days here where it's like warm and then it's freezing and then it wants to be warm and then freezing. So I kind of have a mixture of it. It's like I pretty much just wear jeans, and if it's like really cold, just Uggs and like a sweater or like a denim or something like that. So that's pretty much what I asked for. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the things that didn't work out for me, and I'll tell you the reasons why. I requested the 1822 denim. I actually have a few of these. My very first pair, I actually bought it from, I think it was in Nordstrom Rack or Holt Look, and I freaking love them. If you are looking for a really nice, affordable, high-waisted jeans, or just jeans that are like, you want to try something new and it's still affordable, these jeans are really affordable. I don't think I've seen any pair that's over like $50, which isn't really that bad. And most of them are like between like 30 something to like 40 something. And then I actually saw a couple that were on here on Nordstrom right now. So these didn't work out for me, and I think the only reason why they didn't work out for me is because they weren't like a high rise or mid rise. They were ankle skinny, so they're probably just like that normal like cut where like kind of like my little mom band is at. So it kind of like just cuts right into it, and it really doesn't give me any wiggle room to like kind of like maneuver my body into. And I was actually really bummed that these didn't work out, just because of the fact that they had all the distress right here, and then they did have that cute little fringe at the bottom, which is really a big thing right now. So I really wanted these to work, but maybe in the next couple of months, when I am determined and I'm going to be healthy this year, and just be healthy, and then just be consistent with the gym. And then so hopefully maybe in the future I can come back to these and kind of try them on and see how they work for me next time. But kind of reference, I do wear a size 31, so that's like equivalent to like size 12. So I think maybe if I went up a size, they would probably fit, but they'd probably feel like weird in other different places, and they might be a little bit longer, and like, but these fit perfect everywhere else. It was just the midsection where it just didn't work out for me. Next item that didn't work out for me was this belt, and I thought this belt was really cute. It's a Rebecca MINKOFF belt. It's just a normal black belt. Nothing really crazy like special about this. It just barely didn't fit. I think if I went with the extra large, it'd probably fit, but then probably over time, like it would just be stretched out, and then I'd probably like create holes in it, and then I would have to go down to a large. But other than that, I mean, it's a cute belt. I think if you're looking for a just like simple belt, this one was really cute, and I really did like the little like 3 little, I don't know, like the bars to put the loop through. But other than that, like I said, there was really nothing crazy about this belt. And I think if I did fit me, I probably wouldn't get it. Like I said, I think I'd rather invest the money and get like a Gucci belt. But other than that, I've seen definitely cheaper belts that were a little bit cuter than this. But like I said, this one just didn't work out for me. And then next up that didn't work out for me was this a Free People top, but it's just a normal top, and I think that'd be really cute. I think maybe if my boobs go if they shrink a little, maybe this would work out. But it was really cute. I think this would be really perfect for that summer months and spring, and it kind of helps you transition because you could still wear a cardigan over this, and then once you're ready to not wear cardigans anymore and it's warmer, then you can just wear it as is. And then the final thing that just, I don't want to say didn't work out for me, but I really didn't particularly care for this scarf. I've been kind of wanting a scarf, just like a chunky scarf, just a basic chunky sweater scarf. If you guys know any places where I could get one, leave it down in the comments. And I used to have one, and unfortunately we had a house fire, so I lost it. But it was just a really just like chunky like sweater scarf, and it was from Old Navy. And I remember I went to Old Navy and they didn't have them, so I don't know if they just don't make them anymore or what. But what I thought was really cool, one thing that I actually just noticed when I was looking through all my stuff, that this brand is called Treasure Bond, and I saw here, which I thought this was really cool. When you shop Treasure Bond, we will give 2.5% of net sales to organizations that empower our youth, which I thought that was really cool. And then it gives you a code where you can track your impact. So I was like, that was really cool. And then it says, we give education. Your purchase provides educational resources or programming to a young person in North America through We Schools. Track your impact on the back. So anything that you buy from Treasure Bond, a percentage of the sale goes to them. So I think that was really cool. I did get another Treasure Bond item, and I'll show you guys in just a second. So those are the items that just didn't work out for me. And like I said, those, most of the time it happens, and it's like when I look at it on the app and I'm like, oh, like I'm actually gonna like it, like it's gonna fit like this, and I'm imagining in my head like I'm gonna look like this and I'm gonna wear it to here, and sometimes it just doesn't work out with that way, and that's totally fine. So let's get into the outfits that did work out for me, and I'll kind of show you and describe to you what my thoughts were when kind of I was like in my head while I was thinking and all of that. Alrighty guys, so the first outfit that I am trying on is this really cute TOPSHOP little gray sweater. It is in a size 12. I really enjoyed this little sweater dress. I think it was really cute, and I liked the way it was just hitting on me. It was a little bit short, but I think if I wear some tights underneath it or some leggings, I can really dress it up and really just kind of like change the outfit. I did add a couple of accessories. I added my Kendra Scott necklace that I've been really enjoying, and then also a dupe of an Hermes cuff bracelet, and I will link it in the description box for you guys if anyone's interested. It's a really great dupe, and it's very inexpensive. Alrighty guys, so next outfit that I have up is, like I said, that Treasure Bond item that I got. It's just this white plain t-shirt, and I really enjoyed it. I think that maybe if I got it in a size medium, it'd probably fit a little bit better. I just think it was a little bit too loose. And then also is this MADEWELL little pink little cardigan that I put over it. Very cute, very fashionable, and I think it could go great with a lot of outfits. And then also I did get those other 1822 denim jeans. I think I probably will keep these. They just fit my body really great, and the style definitely fit my body really good. And next shirt that I have on is this really cute pinky mauvey Free People top. And like I said, this is like an also great piece to transition into the spring summer months. So right now you could wear like a really cute denim jacket with it, or even a leather jacket, and once you know it starts warming up, you can go ahead and take off that jacket and just strut yourself. I have this another Free People top. I really enjoy Free People tops. I think they're really cute. Sometimes they can fit me, sometimes they don't, but I really like this top. I think I would actually size down in this top. I think it just makes me a little bit too like almost like a potato sack, but I really like the fit. I really enjoy the color, and I also really enjoy the little flare on the bottom. It kind of just gives you just like kind of like curves you out in a way. So next up I have on is this Reformation black with white stripes top. I think this top was really cute. It was a little bit slim fitting than I would like it to be, and I think that maybe if I got an extra large, if this does come in an extra large, I wouldn't mind getting it in a bigger size, because I'm pretty sure this type of material is probably like 100% cotton and it's gonna shrink. So I rather go up in a size, and it was really comfy. I think when you're having those just like bum days, I think you can really dress this up, make it very like fashion forward. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for my trunk club this month. Like I said, there was things that worked out for me and there was things that didn't work out, and that's totally fine. Don't ever feel obligated that you have to buy everything in your trunk club, because you don't. Just buy things that you're really needing and that you just really enjoy and you connect with, and you're just like, yes, like you look in the mirror and you're just like, this is what I've been needing and I've been wanting. But like I said, I kind of go into more details in my first video with the, you know, styling and prices and all of that, and then everything that I tried out and that I showed you guys. I will list everything in the description box if I can find it. If I can't, I'm sorry guys. But if anyone's interested in trying out Trunk Club, I will also leave my referral link down in the description box, and my stylists can help you out. That is it for this one guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.